Merry Christmas! In a previous video, we drew a gingerbread man, but he had no home. And today we fix that problem. We draw our ginger man's house, the gingerbread house. But before we do, please do subscribe because I've got another draw along Christmas video coming out tomorrow that you're not going to want to miss. So subscribe and let's draw a gingerbread house. Let's start with the sides of our gingerbread house. I'm going to draw a line out like this, but it's just straight. And then we can go ahead and draw the bottom. Let's do that. Let's draw the bottom, which is also a straight line. Then the side, which is just another straight line. Great. All right, that's the basic bottom of our gingerbread house here. Now let's draw the roof. I'm going to draw a straight line to right about the middle of my house here. Then a straight line on the other side that connects back. All right, we need a thick roof. It's got to be really good gingerbread. So I'm going to draw a line out like this from the side of our roof. Same thing on the other side. It's like a big check mark. And then follow that long line you drew all the way back to the top. Same thing on the other side. Follow it back all the way to the top. All right. Now our gingerbread house needs a door, front door, but I think this should be curved, kind of like the house we drew in our snow globe. So I'm going to draw a line that starts right here, goes out and up and back down. It's just a curve. It's just a big curve. That is fun. Let's give it a doorknob. Draw a circle in the bottom corner like that. And I think it needs a window, don't you? Yeah, let's do it. Let's draw a little square like this, just 4 straight lines. Then I'm going to draw one next to it. Just a little square. One above it. And one right next to it. 4 squares. You got it? Great. This needs some candy and some frosting, so let's go ahead and add that. I'm going to add a big peppermint right here, and that's just going to be a circle. Maybe it's a peppermint, maybe it's a gummy. You can decide when you color it. I'm going to draw another one on the other side. Yeah. That is going to be tasty to color. Okay, now for the frosting, I'm going to do a curve down like this and back up. Now let's do that again, but make it a little shorter this time. Like that. You got a nice W there. And this time I'm actually going to go higher. I'm going to come back down and up. Just want them to feel a little different each time. Go back down, way down this time, right next to the door. And then go all the way back up. Just keep drawing these little wiggles all the way across until I hit the roof. Great job, guys. This is looking so incredibly tasty. I think we do need a roof. Sorry, I think we need a chimney here. Let's draw a straight line out from the roof. And then I'm going to draw the top of the chimney. So I'm going to draw a straight line like this. Now I know where the other side of my chimney sits. So I'm going to put a little straight line that just connects the top of the chimney to the roof.
Then both sides of the chimney should go up, up like that. Then connect the top of our chimney. Great. You think we should add some frosting to our chimney? Me too. I'm going to draw a curve like this. It's going to come down. Do it again. Maybe one more. Great. Oh, so tasty. All right, what else could we add to this? Maybe we need some lines on our house to make them a little more interesting. Let's draw a line from the door to the side of the house. And we'll just keep doing that all the way up. Maybe behind our gummy there or our peppermint, whatever we decided. And then one line that goes and hits the frosting. Then goes all the way across. And another line, and I want to make sure that this one goes and hits the frosting and then goes behind all the frosting like that. Let's do the same thing on the other side. A line from the door to the peppermint, then to the other side. Then a line from the side to the door, side to the door. One more time, side to the door. All right. And with that, you are ready to color your gingerbread house.
Great job on those gingerbread houses, everybody. That was a lot of fun drawing with you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Merry Christmas. Please do subscribe, and I'll see you next time.